So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Within this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can combine multiple PDF files without using any software. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for combinedpdf.com. You can see the right URL over there. Just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond. Now it will ask you to upload multiple PDF files. Just simply drag and drop or upload your multiple PDF files. Once you do that, all you need to do is to just simply hit combine, and it's a free process. And once you hit combine, your merged or combined PDF will directly save onto your device that you can use anywhere you want, and it's a total free process, and you can add up to 20 PDF files and images from your computer. Just simply drag and drop them over here. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.